Hi everyone, welcome to a course on artificial neural networks, theory and practice with MATLAB and Python. In this video lecture series, we are going to give brief introduction about artificial neural networks as a part of lecture 1. Artificial neural networks are biologically inspired, that means they are based upon the biological neuron. They are composed of elements that perform in a manner that is similar to the function of the biological neuron. Artificial neural networks, in short, we call it as ANN. ANN exhibits a number of brain characteristics. They learn from experience, generalize from previous examples to new ones, and abstracts essential characteristics from inputs containing irrelevant data. ANN duplicates some of the functions of the human brain. The main important characteristics of artificial neural networks are learning. What is learning? Artificial neural networks can modify their behavior in response to the environment. They self-adjust to produce consistent responses. A number of training algorithms are developed for learning and learn from previous examples. The next characteristics is the generalization and then generalize from previous examples to new ones. Abstraction. What is the exact meaning of the abstraction? ANN abstracts essential characteristics from inputs containing irrelevant data. ANN are capable of abstracting the essence of a set of inputs. For example, a network can be trained with a series of distorted versions of letter, says capital Z. After sufficient number of trainings, if the distorted versions will produce correctly formed letter Z, that means it has learned to produce something that it has never learned before. So the main characteristics are learning, generalization and abstraction. Now let us see the history of the artificial neural systems development. 1943. This year 1943 is often considered the initial year in the development of artificial neural systems. McCulloch and Pitts proposed the first formal model of an elementary computing neuron. This model includes all necessary elements to perform logic elements. Functions, operations are carried out using the McCulloch and Pitts neuron model. Thus, it functions as an arithmetic and logical computing elements. The implementation of its compact electronic model was not technically feasible at the time. The reason is because of bulky vacuum tubes. However, the McCulloch and Pitts neuron model laid the groundwork for future developments. In the year 1949, Donald Hebb first proposed a learning scheme for updating neuron connections. This rule is called as the Hebbian learning rule. This rule is made a primary contribution to the neural network theory. During 1950s, the first neurocomputer was built and tested. Minsky in 1954. Perceptron was invented by Frank Rosenblatt in 1958. It was a trainable machine capable of learning to classify certain patterns by modifying connections to the threshold elements. Rosenblatt theory in 1958. It formed the basis for machine learning algorithms. 1977 to 88, associative memory research has been carried out. 1988 to till date, multi-layer neural networks, deep learning neural networks, deep neural networks, convolution neural networks, various machine learning and deep learning algorithms and applications were developed. Now we will study about the biological neuron because this structure of the biological neuron forms part of the artificial neuron. So artificial neuron can be built up based on the biological neuron. So we are studying this biological neuron structure. The human nerve system built of cells called neurons. There are 10 power 11 neurons in the brain and there are 10 power 15 interconnections between them. A neuron has the capability to receive, process and transmit signals over the neural paths that comprise the brain communication system. This is the basic structure of the biological neuron, and it consists of a number of neurons. This one neuron, two neuron and so on. There are so many number of neurons. The main important parts of the neuron are cell body. This is the cell body, and this point is axon, and this is a synapse and dendroid. The elementary nerve, which is called as a neuron simply, is the fundamental building block of a biological neuron. A typical cell consists of three major regions, namely the cell body, the axon, dendrites. Dendrites extend from the cell body to the other neurons. These are the dendrites, they are extended from cell body to other neurons, where they receive signals at a connection point called synapse. This is the connection point. We have a connection point, synapse. These inputs are connected to the cell body. So these are the various inputs that are connected to the cell body. For this also, the inputs are connected to the cell body from the other neurons. There they are summed up. So summing is done in the cell body. The inputs from various neurons coming to a particular neuron are summed up. When the commutative excitation in the cell body exceeds a threshold, in the cell body, the summing up value, that is commuted value, if that exceeds a threshold value, this cell fires, sending a signal down the axon. Through axon, it is sending a signal to the other neurons. So based on this basic biological neuron, the artificial neurons were built up. The artificial neuron was designed to mimic the first order characteristics of the biological neuron.